Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform hard reset for your headphones Vidonn F3. And you have to start by remove your headphones from the phone. So click the information icon or settings icon in the Bluetooth near to your headphones. Then forget this device. Forget device. After that, your headphones should enter to pairing mode, and we can see it by this LED light. And when you're in the pairing mode, you need to press 5 times and the multifunctional button. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now this LED light should change a color, and as you can see, it just did it. And after that, it entered to pairing mode. Now click on your headphones at the device list. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!